Welcome back to Coco's Baking, the follow-along baking show the follow-along baking show that you do with me. And today we're making truffle pie. Welcome back to Coco's Baking, where the follow-along baking show. And today we're making truffle pie. Add a cup and a fourth of baking crumb, chocolate pie baking crumbs. Add half a cup of chopped pecans. Add a third of a cup of butter into the microwave for about 30 seconds. Add the butter into the bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of icing sugar. Mix it all together. To a pie plate. And why do I always need a spatula? Then to a pie plate, as I was saying. And then oops. Okay. And then use your hands, press it against the bottom, and make it move up to the sides. Move a bit right here. So it looks kind of like that. My hands are so greasy. I greased the pan, so yeah. But put the oven on bake 350 and let's start. Put it in the oven for 10 minutes. Okay. Take it out of the oven and put it on a cooling rack. Add 8 ounces of chocolate chips to a pan that is on like low to medium, and mix until melted. Move it off of the platform and turn off the stove and mix until smooth. Three, 2, 1, go. Transfer it to a bowl and let it cool. Two cups of Cool Whip, like this type of Cool Whip, into the thing. So hard to get out. So that's ready. And mix it together until there is no white at all. Add it in and spread it everywhere, including over top of the sides of the crust. And yeah. Put in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours.